Property management is a $100 billion industry made up of 80,000 companies serving approximately 45 million rental units nationwide. However, the property management business has remained largely unchanged for decades. The industry is reactive, slow, manual, and allows for small issues to worsen over time. Most monitoring systems cost hundreds of dollars, require professional installation, or provide limited functionality. We at Aabix have a better solution, the Bix Box. It is an early notification system of potential maintenance issues that can be easily scaled across an entire portfolio. We provide peace of mind that operators are proactively maintaining their properties and serving their customers.
Good evening. My name is Jeremy Matherin, and I am Chief Business Officer here at Aabix. And I'm incredibly excited to talk to you all today on my actual birthday about my amazing team and the company that we've built over the course couple of years. Now, jumping in, our product is called the Bix Box. I've actually got it in my hand here. It is a device that provides property managers a live portfolio-wide view of their residential rental units' health. Think of it kind of like a Fitbit, but for physical properties. Now, property management is easily the least sexy part of the real estate space. Sometimes I say property management and eyes gloss over. But I think a lot of people don't understand just how large and pervasive the industry is. I was surprised to learn that around 10% of every dollar spent on rental income flows through property managers. Now, my first foray into property management was as an individual. I purchased a home not long after graduating from undergrad and then rented it out to my aunt. Fast forward a year and a half and I was stuck with a near $10,000 bill. There was a leak underneath the sink, and instead of just letting me know about it through a call, she took a bucket and stuck it underneath the leak and said, "Leak now fixed." It ended up rotting the pipes. It caused damage to the floorboards. I had to replace the entire unit. This was an especially challenging problem because I'd literally just quit my job to start my MBA here at Cornell. Well, once I arrived on campus, met my co-founder and started to explore the space, he and I conducted immense customer discovery, really trying to understand how people at scale approach property management. What we distilled is that the property management industry is incredibly reactive. We had a vision that you would be able to open up your laptop from anywhere in the world and see, state to state, city to city, block to block, floor to floor, and door to door, whether there was a maintenance issue that needed to be addressed. Our solution was the Bix Box. It is a physical device, IoT themed, and an accompanying phone/web application. You connect the device to the internet either through a Wi-Fi or a cell tower signal, and then sensors within the device triangulate data across each other and leverage environmental data from outside the home in order to generate real-time updates and insights for the end user. It usually makes a little bit more sense once we actually show the user interface. There are 4 specific use case categories that we determined we could cheaply, technologically detect. They include leaking pipes, freezing pipes, the potential for mold growth, as well as the efficiency of an HVAC system. Our business model is relatively straightforward. We sell our device directly to property managers and owner-operators, and then provide access to our notification system and dashboard through a software-as-a-service business model. Our unit economics, again straightforward, we expect to generate between $60 and $70 per unit per year in perpetuity. This is an incredibly ambitious project, so we have an incredibly talented team, many of which were sourced right here from Cornell. I myself have worked on automation software implementation for public sector clients at Deloitte and have industry experience at Microsoft. My co-founder and CEO is a professionally licensed engineer and has done work at NASA, Corning, Hitachi, and actually helps manage Cornell's HVAC system. And we have amassed a team of nearly 17 individuals working part-time and full-time, whether our professors like it or not, working to make Aabix a reality. This has been a tremendous semester and way too many accomplishments on this slide to talk about individually, but I'll briefly call out the fact that we have raised nearly $70,000, all non-dilutive, from winning pitch competitions and accelerators. And this This summer, we are prepared to do 3 installations, one with a local property manager and one with a large asset manager based out of New York City who has thousands of properties across the country. Now, the only way that we were able to make those connections and get those pilots scheduled was through warm introductions, through our amazing eLab entrepreneurs in residence and advisory board members. So if you know anyone in the real estate space, whether you're a renter or an owner, or have a friend of a friend, we would absolutely love the opportunity to tell you or your friend or your landowner how we can help them transform the way they manage their properties. Thank you again for your time.